You come to tell me something. You say I ought to know that he don't love me anymore. I'll have to let him go. You say you're gonna take him. Oh, I don't think you can, 'cause you ain't woman enough to take my man. When like you are a guy just you can find anyone. For you to get to him, I have to move over, and I'm gonna stand right here. It'll be over my dead body, so get out while you can, 'cause you ain't woman enough to take my man. He don't need. He took a second look at you, but he's in love with me.